Making it casual. How to use informal sentence structures in English. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and essential part of English writing. We'll learn about using informal sentence structures and how you can adapt formal writing techniques to make them more casual. So, grab your notebook, and let's get started. Informal writing is often used in everyday conversations, social media posts, and friendly emails. It's more relaxed and feels personal. Here's what makes informal writing different. Casual language. This includes slang, idioms, and contractions like I'm instead of I am. Flexible sentence structures. You can bend the rules a bit. Direct address. You might talk directly to the reader, using pronouns like you. Now, let's take a look at some examples. Formal. It is essential that one understands the topic well. Informal. You've got to understand the topic well. Formal. I would like to extend an invitation to dinner. Informal. Want to grab dinner? Formal. Please do not hesitate to contact me. Informal. Just give me a shout if you need anything. The informal versions are more direct and conversational. They sound like something you'd say to a friend. Here's how you can make your writing more informal. 1. Use contractions. Instead of I will, use I'll. 2. Ask questions. Like, got it? Instead of, do you understand? 3. Include casual expressions. Say, hang on, instead of, please wait. Not every situation calls for informal writing. Here's a quick guide. Use informal writing when talking to friends, writing a personal blog, or sending a casual email. Avoid informal writing in official documents, academic papers, or formal business communications. And there you have it. Now you know how to jazz up your writing by using informal sentence structures. Remember, the key is to know your audience and choose the tone that fits the situation best. Have fun experimenting, and keep practicing. Until next time, happy writing!